2013 budget for national defense has hurdled the Senate committee level. The amount is 120.3 billion pesos, including the outlay for the AFP modernization program. The details from Bianca Piedad.
The Senate Finance Committee submits today the recommended budget for the Department of National Defense for the year 2013, amounting to 120.3 billion pesos. Included here are the funds for personal services, pensions, and modernization.
The modernization program. The modernization program requires 15 billion a year for the next 5 years. And as of now, the source of the fund will be the General Appropriations Act.
Senator Drilon says the General Appropriations Act alone cannot compensate to the amount needed for the AFP modernization plan. This will push the DND and the armed forces to source out funds from their unimproved lands like Fort Magsaysay and their golf courses to generate the needed 75 billion pesos for modernization within 5 years' time.
We have formed a committee to look into all our properties, look at all the documents that will support this project. Number one, kailangan mo may titulo yung lupa. Maraming right now, marami kaming properties na walang papeles. We will just have to reconstitute all these things, no?
One of the ways they see to make their land properties productive is to plant in-demand agricultural crops such as palm oil and corn. The DND finds it important to do this because they cannot depend on GAA alone to acquire a credible degree of equipment deemed necessary for the Philippine internal security and territorial defense at par with other neighboring countries.
Hindi po natin mailalagay ng presyo kasi unang-una po depende po sa laki ng barko, depende po sa mga missiles na ilalagay natin. Yung pag sinabi po natin kasing warship, iba-iba po yan eh. May maliit, may malaki, may masyadong malaki.
The Navy chief, however, has not directly stated the amount of the naval ship and the complete equipment they need. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.